I learn what to do when I sneeze. Is it correct to sneeze without covering your nose? The boy is using a tissue paper when sneezing.
I must always cover my nose when I sneeze. I must use a soft tissue paper or a clean handkerchief.
When you have finished using the tissue paper, you must throw it in the dustbin. I learn what to do when I cough. Is it correct to cough without covering your mouth? The boy is now using his handkerchief. In case I do not have a handkerchief or tissue paper, I sneeze or cough in my sleeve or arm. If you sneeze or cough in your hands, all the microbes are left in your hands. You will then transmit the microbes to your friends next to you or to all objects you will touch. You must then wash your hands